If you've ever used Snapchat, you know how fun geofilters can be. Take a snap, swipe right, and check out the collection of customized designs. They're location-based, so you can show all of your followers where you're working or playing for the day. Most of the time, these filters are curated by the folks at Snapchat based on submissions from local artists. But perhaps you've been to an event, maybe a wedding or a conference, that had their own geofilter. It turns out they're not hard to create. First, you need to go to Snapchat's on-demand geofilters page. These are a specific kind of geofilter that allow business logos. Click Create Now and sign into your account. We suggest using Snapchat's Create Online tool. With drag and drop templates and pre-baked color schemes, it's a foolproof option. You can insert Bitmojis, logos, and other graphics right in the tool. Snapchat also gives you the option to create your own designs in Illustrator or Photoshop. Just be sure to use a 1080 by 1920 artboard. Export as a PNG so a transparent background shows, and keep the file size under 300 kilobytes. And remember, those graphics have to be 100% original. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, click Next and select the dates you want your geofilter to be available. Snapchat will give you a map to draw a polygon over the area where you want your filter to be available. Zoom in close to your location. This tool isn't meant for blanketing an entire city with a geofilter. In fact, you'll be charged based on the square footage of your geofence. Instead, create a geofilter for your upcoming event or celebration in a specific building or block. The price will update in the top left corner as you drag and adjust your area. Finally, enter your payment information and you're good to go. When your event arrives, use your other social networks to let your audience know that the geofilter is available. You might even try a user-generated content campaign. Offer an incentive for attendees to send you snaps featuring the filter. That way, you can begin forming a relationship with your audience, and they can help spread the word about your business on Snapchat.